People pay tributes to Jananeta Hijam Irawat on his 122nd birth anniversary. Chief Minister N. Biren lays foundation stone for construction of a statue of Lamyanba Hijam Irawat. BJP Manipur Days suspects insincerity by Muta in solving Manipur University crisis. Blames MPCC of sustaining the varsity issue. And Deputy Commissioner Imphal West, Naurem Praveen, declares Imphal West District free of open defecation from today. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari, bringing you the latest updates. First up, the 122nd birth anniversary of Hijam Irawat was celebrated in various parts of the state today. First state-level observance was held at BT Park today. Hijam Irawat was born this day in September 1896. Also known as Jananeta Hijam Irawat, he was a politician and social activist. He wrote journals and poetry as well as plays in which he also acted. He was also a sportsman. He fought against social injustices and led the second Nupi Lan of 1939. In the June-July 1948 election to the Manipur Assembly, Irawat won the Udlo constituency. As a part of the birth anniversary celebration of Lamyanba Hijam Irawat, Chief Minister N. Biren today laid the foundation stone for construction of a statue of Lamyanba Irawat at Irawat Square opposite to Manipur Assembly complex. Ministers, MLAs and top government officials took part in the event organized by the Department of Art and Culture. The 122nd birth anniversary of Lamyanba Hijam Irawat come state-level patriotic song competition 2018 was held at Top Sifai Makhalekai Community Hall in Wangoi constituency today. Nungthen Laima Nupilok organized the event every year. Speaking in the event, Nationalist People's Party NPP General Secretary Kurajam Loken stressed the need to produce great leaders like Jananeta Hijam Irawat in present time. Loken stated that there are many leaders who praise Irawat on anniversary ceremonies but do not genuinely yearn to work for the welfare of the people in their hearts. He urged everyone to get away from such pseudo-leaders. He maintained that the birth anniversary of Lamyanba Hijam Irawat is celebrated not only in Manipur but even in the neighboring states. He asserted that Irawat is revered for his selfless sacrifice for the people. Loken called on the present leaders to follow in the footsteps of Irawat. Speaking in connection with Manipur University crisis, the NPP General Secretary urged all the stakeholders to resolve the university crisis as it is detrimental for the future of the students. Loidangkon Amakjam, Waiko Michael and Thangnaujam Surjit bagged the first, second and third positions respectively out of the total 11 participants of the patriotic song competition organized by Nungthen Laima Nupi Lup.
Lamdam sida ngasi Jananeta Irawat ki wakhalomda miyamgi seba tawune thoiba aikhoigi amatu boibagi wakhalomdi laina horendi aingona vote pide mongonda ching piraro hayani akhoi lamdam chanarisi horendi mongonda aingona vote pide always pencil hapro hai si Jananeta Irawat di pangtha magi function di pangtha thagal ngangnei Manipur makom khuni makta masine ne ngai si tomda noksu nokning si Manipur gi khunai sida miyamgi seba tawune thobadi miyamgi oiba wakhalom thambi aigi khaki haibadi hayeng miyoi bai khoisi nongodi chataba sungya yaroi wangoi kendra mahak thokibde sigum ma tawgibane haibidu sono haudrage thamamdragadi aina thoboi kari value ta ge sinida.
Northeast India Development Party NEIDP Manipur also celebrated the 122nd birth anniversary of Hijam Irawat at NEIDP office in Tera Bazaar today. NEIDP State President Daukoman Kongsai led the party members in paying floral tributes at the portrait of Hijam Irawat on the occasion. Speaking to media, Daukoman said Lamyanba Hijam Irawat is still remembered and revered by the people for his good deeds and contributions for the unity in the state. He called on the present generation to abide by the pioneer's message of unity and harmony. Vice President of NEIDP Central Working Committee Sapam Keba, State Vice President Oinam Malesh, Y. Nabachandra, General Secretary Administration Ranjit and members of the party took part in the event.
Khoi na kaubuyade maramdi mana share to biramba pummakshe macha masu uriba khoina ningsing horaga lokhatcharaga magi wakhallon maki vision se hingiba hujik macha masu singna dum hongthangminaraga taibong pan seda angam makhaisi Manipur ki damak to na baina appeal to jare Manipur khakta natana India manungda leriba Manipur macha singna so magi le phamda chawna to jadrasu ningsijabagi ningsingjabagi oina
National People's Party (NPP) also observed the 122nd birth anniversary of Lamyanba Hijam Irawat at the party office in Sangai Porok today. Vice President Administration and Organization of NPP, PH Jilasana, Vice President of Legal and Valley, Sushil Huidrom and other party members attended the event.
Tung da haure iba education amadi hojijik leiriba syllabus ta Manipur gi oiba leader oigiba apau ba thokraba mayam sigi ngasi bu history da haptabasi masi yamna hapaningi tung da hor ka doba ngang chingsina ngasi Manipur da apau ba kana poongge haibasi aigi isa singsu khangdaba me oina tore maramdi ngasi hijam irabot deni kai hairaga khangdabagumba iraboi je kanano papa kai hangmase masigumbasi isamakta thokpusida aiko yamna thamoi sokpa mapoi Manipur gi education gi syllabus ta Manipur history yahon biu natragadi Manipur se mangragani tungda horka to bisa mayamna Manipur gi damakta tungda kadi oirakani haibasi hojiji paliba sarkar nasu amuktang pungning chingjaningi.
Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantakumar has assured to construct a public meeting place for the people of Manipur in near future. He made the announcement during the Malemgi Hangdokpa Numit come 122nd birth anniversary of Lamyanba Irawat observance today. Saitya Thopang Lop organized the event at Hindi Parishad. The minister asserted that Lamyanba Irawat was not a leader of a particular community or a party, but he was a leader of the people of Manipur. He called on to delve in the ideology of the late leader not only during anniversary observance, but in one's day-to-day life. Minister Jayantakumar also conferred the Thiam Ibochaubi National Award to Ningtho Khongjam Dilip Kumar, a writer from Tripura, on the occasion.
Manipur University of Culture, Mara Tamna Bagi, Magi Jagapi, Nabagi, Kukan, Honazari, Lai Makil Fast Week, Simakta, Isam, Delita, Mukachalaga, Honorable Minister, Union Minister, Yogai Sabam, Kushu Chakadori. Saiti Lamda, like Makilpot in Nil Kongomaraka, Tobi Mota in Kanjabada, Hen Ingba, practical in Jagatan, Pagata and Kambadagi. Koina, Waka Saita, Manipur University of Culture, Toribasida. Jagam Yamak Torgamada location of happy country paper can prepare to the almost logadore.
Social Workers Congress, Kongman and Indian Dental Association jointly organized a one-day free medical camp in connection with the 122nd birth anniversary of Lamyanba Irawat today. 11 doctors checked off many people at the camp held at Kongman Zone 4. Free medicines were also distributed at the camp. Handicap Development Manipur, in collaboration with Welfare Association for the Blind, organized the 4th Integrated Literary Meet in relation to the 122nd birth anniversary of Lamyanba Irawat at Government Idol Blind School in Takil today. People paid a floral tribute at the poetry of Lamyanba Irawat on the occasion. Patriotic poem recitation competition was held for the students of the school in the event. SCEADO SIDCO Hairok Bazaar organized the 11th All Hairok Inter-School Literary Meet 2018 in connection with the 122nd birth anniversary of Lamyanba Jananeta Hijam Irawat yesterday. MLA Kundrakpam and Lokeshwar, MLA Khangabok Okram Suraj Kumar, former Minister of Hairok Constituency M. Okendro, former Chairperson Jayanti Mala and many people attended the event. Prizes were also distributed to the winners of the Mars Pass competition, which was held as a part of the event. Yaripok Top Chingtha Irawat Celebration Committee also observed the 122nd Lamyanba Hijam Irawat Day at Yaripok Kunau Primary School today. Painting and essay competition were also held during the event. Socialist Students Union of Manipur SSUM Manipur, Proletariat People's Democratic Union MPPDU, Proletariat of Feminist Movement POFM and Socialist Women Association SWA Manipur also observed the 122nd birth anniversary of Lamyanba Hijam Irawat at Thau Ground in Thangmaiban today. Floral tributes were offered to Hijam Irawat, and the march past competition participated by students of various schools was held during the event. Lumphel Supermarket Coordinating Committee also observed the day at Lumphel Supermarket today. The committee also held a social service camp in collaboration with AMMUC in connection with the day yesterday. Manipuri Kalakristi Kendra Pipal Pukuri, Lanka, Hojai, Assam also observed the 122nd birth anniversary of Lamyanba Hijam Irawat today. Minister Karam Sham handed over a statue of Lamyanba Irawat to the Manipuris of Hojai during the event held at Hojai district of Pipal Pukuri in Assam. The minister lauded the late leader for all his contributions on the occasion. He also expressed pride that Hojai Manipuris still conserve the indigenous tradition and cultures of Manipur. He called on every political leaders of the day to follow Lamyanba Irawat and serve peoples sincerely. People paid a floral tribute to Lamyanba Irawat on the occasion. MLA Yashkul Saitabrata and MLA Sekmai H. Dingo, JCLPA's co-convener YK Dhiren and UPF General Secretary Niranjan Usham took part in the event. Jiribam also joined the observance of 122nd Lamyanba Hijam Irawat Day. Jananeta Irawat Memorial Trust Jimet Jiribam organized the event at Irawat Memorial Complex Babupara Jiribam. Floral tributes were paid to Lamyanba Hijam Irawat. Students from various schools of Jiribam took out a march past participated by 25 contingent and 2 cultural troops at Jiribam Higher Secondary School. Forest and Environment Minister Thongnaujam Sham Kumar, SP ADC of the district and many people attended the event. Deputy Commissioner Imphal West flagged off a rally in connection with Lamyanba Hijam Irawat Ningsing Numit and Swachhata Hi Seva campaign today. The rally started from the statue of Thangal General in Palace Compound and concluded at the DC office Porompat. Students of various schools and colleges in the district, Angawadi workers, district police and VDF personnel and department officials took part in the rally. Kumon Tera Lukram Lerak Nupi Weavers Welfare Association also celebrated the 122nd birth anniversary of Lamyanba Hijam Irawat today. Floral tributes were paid to Lamyanba Irawat and Maira Paibis of the locality took out a march past on the occasion. Spokesperson of BJP Manipur Pradesh CH Bijoy expressed suspicions on the insincerity of Manipur University Teachers Association MUTA in resolving Manipur University crisis. He also accused Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC of sustaining the prevailing varsity issue. Speaking to media at BJP Manipur Pradesh temporary office in Kanchipur today, CH Bijoy recalled that MUTA President Professor I. Tomba expressed a desire to hold dialogues with the state government for resolving the varsity crisis during a Northeast Live panel discussion on Manipur University issue on September 27th. He maintained that Chief Minister Nongthoma Biren subsequently invited MUTA for a meeting to discuss the same. However, after a positive response for holding dialogue, even by sending details of 8 representatives of MUTA, the Teachers Association eventually declined the meeting. Spokesperson Bijoy questioned why MUTA declined the invitation for the meeting. He also mocked former Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam for affirming the Manipur University community's allegation against VC AP Pandey after the mayor's stroll on the university campus by MPCC's fact-finding committee on June 19. The BJP spokesperson also termed that the act of MPCC delegates led by its leaders O. Ibobi visiting New Delhi in an effort to meet President Ram Nath Kovind to submit a memorandum regarding Manipur University crisis on June 27 as mere political gimmick and not a real intention to resolve the varsity crisis.
Last regular VC was Nandakumar. Mana retired to August 2016. At the beginning of only 25 months the night. Ha Professor Taru BC was by saying, I offer the world record or whatever. So the quite hungry question hi Professor Taru said incompetent oil. We as well look at Loyal was a corrupt oil. And Taru said Adriana Loyal Morale and Money a positive. And the story say University Manunda, according to Masakudava, young powerful force of Laila Heavily.
Works Minister Thongam Biswajit asserted that the state government does not have any intention of oppressing the students and teachers of Manipur University in favor of anyone in particular. He said that there can be no closer to the university impasse if parties involved stay in conflicts instead of putting efforts to resolve the issues together. The minister was speaking in the 122nd birth anniversary of Lamyanba Hijam Irawat observance organized by Laishang Hidden Protection and Development Authority, Kiamgai today. Laishang Hidden Heritage Park, located at Kiamgai Pal Ahanbi, was also inaugurated on the occasion. The authority also commemorated the birth anniversary of Angom Ibung Halmani, a revolutionary leader who gave up his life for the motherland in Laishang Hidden. Spokesperson of the state government, Minister Biswajit, maintained that people of the state must be in deep confusion as to whether the government is at fault or the students are at fault regarding the issues of the university. He urged the university community to convey their grievances to the government. He said the door of the government is wide open whenever the community wants to hold dialogues regarding the issues. Biswajit further stated that Chief Minister, ministers and relevant authorities will not be spared for barefooted punishments if they try to handle the matter beyond law. Speaking in connection with the newly inaugurated Laishang Hidden Heritage Park, Biswajit wholeheartedly believed that the park will attract tourists from all places. He also praised Lamyanba Hijam Irawat for his role and contributions for the people of Manipur on the occasion. MLA Kairao, Laurembam Rameshwar and many eminent personalities of Manipur also attended the event.
Kanana su government side to I spokesperson amu na haje frankly ko na kari su kana bu su oja ki punam dhaba chhatra punam dhaba natrba ama bu kana ma favor tor kanda ko na si tono no bagi wakhal di laite matudi isona ugani thaje daba mina thaje tra ka su haje mu thangani ai pami ba pam dri poto government su protect to you ministry su habi you habi pam du ka pang habi raga madai dal wang na chalak matam da chhatra madi prajana ko government gi mathak da tawning ba makhal gi to yai because maram di government hai bache praja gi ni praja mayam china ma gi right to na pull kanda sembani miyam gi against natraga chhatra gi against ko kari gi dam te chatoi no se masi khakang khanda haninge bai ko larik yam yam tamna ga larik te tame ai be gi certificate pare degree holder ni adu MAC ni har kanda wakhan khanda da bagi second thought gi leiba photo de madu de are embada ut gi hai bu na tar kanda koi masen khana ga to kane hai se ai chap chana hai je gani kana na su ko menge side to ai
All More Auto Owners and Drivers Welfare Association has urged relevant authority for transportations along National Highway 102 come Asian Highway 1 Imphal More Road all through day and night. Speaking to media at All Moray Auto Owners and Drivers Welfare Association Moray office, President of the association J. Kongsai expressed the plights facing people, especially at Assam Rifles checkposts 11th and 12th along the road.
Nungdangda Moredagi Asamtalda Lakba Ana Yek Nadraga Moredagi Ana Yek Leba emergency labor ahingda Chatbaganda security forcing na Gedda detain to bivasi Ekoi Mayam Praya Mayam si security sing na ngak nangai lebra nadraga detain to matamda Anase Asiapan Lebaya Aduna state government na Nungdang Oigara Ahing Oigara Nadraga Ayuk Oigara any vehicle check to Hallo Adu Free Movement Bureau detain to Han Bigunu Siamdang Yingsin Bureau Ekoi More to in Palsabasi
A commando team under the supervision of Additional SP Operation of Bishnupur District, KSH Manihar, arrested 3 persons with 450 grams of brown sugar worth around 10 lakh rupees yesterday. Acting on a tip-off, a team led by Additional Sub-Inspector Ojit Singh and commanded by Bishnupur Commando OC Inspector B. Lungthang Baipai arrested the miscreants during a frisking and checking operation conducted in Kwakta and Pabokjau Ikai around 1:30 p.m. yesterday. The arrested persons are identified as Jangmang Kongsai, 30 years, son of Thaukalun Kongsai, Paulenthang Langhar, 25 years, son of Letminglung Langhar, both from Tuibong, Churachandpur, and Somilang Kongsai, 25 years, son of Letmithang Kongsai from Tuibong CJM Court Complex, Churachandpur. The brown sugar was concealed in 30 shop capes. 1 MI phone and 1 SIM card were also seized from them. The culprits were handed over to Moirang Police Station for further legal actions. Ningthokjam RT, 24 years, daughter of Ningthokjam Jila from Moirang Kampu Sajef Makhalekai, remains untraceable since 4 a.m. of September 20th. She has long face, fair complexion and is 5 feet 3 inches tall. Any information on the missing person may be reported at Porampad Police Station. It's time for small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on declaration of Imphal West District free of open defecation from today. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. Deputy Commissioner Imphal West Naurem Praveen has declared Imphal West District as open defecation free, that is ODF, from today. DC Naurem Praveen also disclosed that Manipur will be declared free of open defecation by Chief Minister Nongthoma Miren on October 2nd. Speaking to media at the sidelines of ODF declaration event organized by District Water and Sanitation Committee Imphal West at the Kombirei Hall of Imphal West DC Complex in Lamphel today, DC Naurem Praveen said, declaring Imphal West District as ODF means that there is no open latrine in the district. He also said Imphal East District was declared ODF on September 25th. He maintained that there was delay in declaring Imphal West open defecation free since there was some delay in field service. The Deputy Commissioner also intimated that a award will be conferred to cleanliness places in the district as a part of Swachhata Hi Seva campaign on October 3rd.
Masi oirangna hona basida koi 2001 dagi siamna koi masigi kenosi yumthong khudingi koi sanitary latrine si lainana baidana koi sangsilakpani hoji phawda koi household 39724 sida koi sanitary latrine si saghre hoji ki oina di Imphal West da leiriba household sing si loina sanitary latrine season dana ODF oire sing si madul koi ngasi loktok
Center of Excellence COE CBSE Guwahati organized a 2-day program on capacity building program on mathematics secondary level at Lodestar Public School Kongsai Veng in Laifam Kuno Imphal. The program, which commenced on September 29th and concluded today, aimed to facilitate CBSE teachers. 6 clubs in Jangangai Uchekon under Patsoi constituency kicked off the 10th Youth Leadership Training cum Social Service Camp on Clean Environment developed locality today. Areas under Jangangai Students Welfare Organization Jangangai, Youth Union Club Uchekon, Youth Voluntary Organization Jangangai, Kabui Youth Club and Young Pioneer Club were cleaned up during the camp sponsored by RK Fortune Developers Private Limited. Managing Director of RK Fortune Developers Private Limited, RK Rameshwar, said the camp was held to keep Jangangai neat and clean and developed it into a model village and to facilitate youth in the area for a sustainable livelihood. Seminar, painting competition and many others events for youth relating to skill development will be held during the 3-day camp. RK Rameshwar drew the attention of authorities concerned to allocate a site for dumping garbages for areas not covered by municipality and to take appropriate measures for disposal of plastic waste. The camp will conclude on October 3rd.
Plastic thambam gi mafam ama thiba su awaba moiba mai thado ga su masi health kaida yamna hazard oiba yam phatabam leba auna government na policy ma khana khoi garbage mafam ma thambiri pe adu bokhina lamdeng na kaida salu bada municipality erana ta ba singsigidi rural sector gi lagba pot singsigidi allow to da bifam leba si jina mar ga khoi gi plastics ki pollution adu mati wangre khoi gi mari na authority sing da hiding badi ta sena government na sugumba dumping place ma Manipur pumbagi not only municipality panchayat ki jaga su mafam ma sinbi ragadi majula khoi na phajani freely haidok bang amagadi phare carry bag na singba si na kaina mapangi lam kharasu aya masana khrabani ara khoi Manipur su asuguma plastic se ban phajana to birga plastic use se sina dagadi plastic na baron ga Manipur da amna deeply polluted heliba asi kitang phani.
Chakhat Thaurang Loop Singjumai Chingamakha organized a cleanliness drive in the area today as a part of 122nd birth anniversary observance of Lamyanba Hijam Irawat. Youth Blood Donor Arapti Mayai Laikai Development Association and Life Savers Manipur in collaboration with State Blood Cell, National Health Mission Manipur and Blood Banks RIMS organized a blood donation camp at the Blood Bank of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences in connection with the 122nd birth anniversary observance of Jananeta Hijam Irawat today. 64 volunteers donated blood at the camp. Three monthly Novel Producers Society celebrated a Golden Jubilee at the Roopmahal Theatre today. Keshamthong Kendra Social Worker Maibam Joy Kishore, UMO President M. Sarojini Laima, TMNPS Chief Advisor LM Sana and many people attended the event. Entertainment programs and felicitation of artists and writers marked the event. The Thangmaiban Apunban Nopi Loop, that is Thanil, celebrated its 18th Foundation Day, Kunto Hanbi Sanglen Thangmaiban DM College Gate today. Speaking to media, Thanil President Laisham Gyaneshwari asserted that Thanil has been taking active role in all major issues of the state since its inception and assured to continue to do so in the future. Freedom editor R.K. Ranin Rajit and members of various civil society organizations took part in the event.
Hong ba malak na ba 18 June 2001 da miyoy kaya thawai thagraba matung aduda ahong ba anau ba adum ba achumba election ama purakna bedamakta khoina Thanilama sung United Club ki adugumba takki members singa president secretary puna loina na khoi akan ba adugumba iho ma sagatuna asumba election ama purakpa sungam ki.
The 20 contestants of the 3rd Mitei Janul 2018 pageant organized by Lainingthau Sanamahi Sanapung, that is LSSP, visited Konthaugzam Thampa Lairenbi and Lainingthau Khoiripaba shrines today. Bharatiya Janata Party Bishnupur District Committee held an executive body meeting in connection with the upcoming 2019 Lok Sabha election yesterday. The meeting was held in the old office of Bishnupur Municipal Council. Former Union Minister T.H. Chauba, MLAs P. Sarachandra, L. Radhakishore, S. Veera and Mandal members of 6 constituencies of the district took part in the meeting.
Lairaba Anang Balai Jadraba Aduma Mioi Kaya Imung Sanglaga Laying Nabi Pasha Skim Kaya Potuiba. The end Birena Ima Kaitan Kaya Rum Sari Maramadana Aquana Thali Sing Tam Animakta Lakadaba 2019 da Prajana Nuksibigani Bharot Kiwanasan Nuksibigani Sri Narendra Modina Hangiba MP Masingdagi Hen Pangakane Haba.
An event on National Nutrition Mission Rashtriya Posan Abhiyan, a flagship program of the Ministry of Women and Child Development, Government of India, which commenced on September 4th at Kangpokpi District, concluded in the conference hall of ADC Sadar Hills Kangpokpi District headquarters yesterday. DC Kangpokpi District IAS Dr. Rangitabali Waikom, ADC Sadar Hills Vice President, Thangjakam Misao, councillors of ADC Sadar Hills and many people in the area attended the event. Prizes were also distributed to the winners of Food Mela and Essay Writing and Painting competition held on September 15 in the closing event. Lifestyle Fitness Center has today extended financial assistance to Manipuri bodybuilders participating in the 52nd Asian Bodybuilding Championship 2018. 11 individuals from the state will be participating in the championship to be held from October 2nd to October 8 at Pune, Maharashtra. Proprietor of the fitness center, Sanglakpam Prashojit, presented 50,000 rupees to advisor of All Manipur Gymnasium Welfare Association, that is AMGWA. Nongmei Kakpam Gozendra as an encouragement to the participants. Lifestyle Fitness Center further assured to extend assistance to the participants of the 11th World Bodybuilding Championship to be held at Bangkok this December. Sanglakpam Prasojit announced that the fitness center will donate 50,000 rupees each for the championships. Speaking in the event held at Lifestyle Fitness Center, Sangai Paro, advisor N.K. Gozendra stated that All Manipur Bodybuilding and Fitness Association and All Manipur Gymnasium Welfare Association have come together to form All Manipur Bodybuilders Association on September 28. He said the joint association will work for the welfare of all the bodybuilders of the state.
अखोगी बॉडी बिल्डिंग के सानरोगी दमक्ता मोइना पैसा चंगना सानरी मिना अखोगी साइडगी अंगम खरद वसु मतिंग ओइनाबा लुपा लाख अमम चै खुदिंगी एशियन की यांखैमा दगी वर्ल्ड की यांखैमा सानरोइसिंगी दमक्ता अखोई एसोसिएशन दा कोई चै खुदिंगी हापसगनी ना हायदना अखोई थरोम जे पांगथुकजबनी.
Volunteers of Saijang Makha Singlub and Saijang Makha Apunba Chakhat Thaurang Nupi Lub planted various tree saplings on Saijang Kurai Laima Hilok and Chairao Hilok in Lamlai constituency today. Sawongbung Forest Department provided the tree saplings. Saijang Makha Lekai member Hekruzam Ratan, social worker Sanjam Nandeshwar, Achobam Deval and Pradhan of Telo Chana Hekruzam Nimai took part in the event. Social Youth Organization Kangchup Sanjambam planted over 200 tree saplings in connection with the 122nd birth anniversary of Lamyanba Irawat in the locality today. Mayang Langjing Jilla Parishad K. Sofdeva led the tree plantation drive. Yening Animal Foundation, that is YAF, and Wildlife Warden Sapna Laishram, along with locals, saved a python from Sugnu Awang Lekai around 4:30 p.m. yesterday. The python was found near the field belonging to one Khetrimayum Samananda Eli Ingo in the locality. The python, weighing around 25 to 26 kgs and almost 8 feet long was released in Lamdeng under Langol Reserved Forest 8 last night. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at headlines once again. People paid tributes to Jananeta Hijam Irawat on his 122nd birth anniversary. Chief Minister N. Biren lays foundation stone for construction of a statue of Lamyanba Hijam Irawat. BJP Manipur Pradesh suspects insincerity by Muta in solving Manipur University crisis. Blames MPCC of sustaining the varsity issue. And Deputy Commissioner Imphal West, Naurem Praveen, declares Imphal West District free of open defecation from today.